Hello, welcome to Times of Avishkaar. I'm Nandini Bhalla and today I bring to you some positive tech news from around the world. What if you had an extra body part that helped you do more work? Now it's possible. University College of London have researched to find out that our brains can adjust to new body parts like a robotic thumb attached to our hand. They found out that people who use this thumb felt it was a part of their own body. Imagine yourself picking up a bottle and then even opening it with the same hand. This would be possible with such body-augmented devices. Not only does this prove to be important for our handicapped, but also opens up great possibilities for healthy people like you and me to increase the efficiency of our bodies and do more work at one time. Help you code programs using simple English commands. Microsoft's new AI-powered language model called Power App Ideas will let users write codes in natural languages. This AI model is one of the most advanced in the whole planet right now, trained with 175 billion parameters. This means to code a program, you can simply ask the AI a question and it will bring up a set of formulas that you can choose from. Then the program will apply the logic to the app. Besides formulas, you will also be explained the working of the codes, helping us gain further clarity and easily learn the advanced coding concepts. With such a technology on the rise, soon every single person at any age will be able to code their way to make programs and applications using basic English language. Having difficulty in speaking through masks? Yes, it's a real problem. The pandemic really has us shaken. But with modern problems, we need modern solutions too. And so, the precautionary mask was developed. It allowed people to travel and feel safe and attempted to keep the virus from reaching our noses and mouths. But have you faced the problem of not being able to hear what the other person is saying through the mask? Or haven't been able to speak clearly through it? To tackle this, 19-year-old Kim Jacob from Kerala developed masks that can amplify sound safely. It came up with an inbuilt speaker and amplifier for the mask that he made using the 3D printer he innovated in class 8. He made 50 devices to help the frontline workers in various cities. So next time you spot a problem and you have your innovator hat on, then experiment and create. We at Avishkaar are always looking out for stories that are changing the world. So if you are looking for the same, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification about new Times of Avishkaar videos each Sunday. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends.